Hey, what's up everyone? This is an unboxing video of Samsung Galaxy Y, the cheapest Android smartphone to hit the Philippines. And actually it's still sealed. Let's just open it up. Okay, there you go. Very good. It's nice. So here we are, the Samsung Galaxy Y. We'll just put that to the side. Let's just see what the how we have here in the box. This looks like the 2 gig micro SD card, and we have a micro SD adapter. Open up the whole box here. We have CD for the Samsung keys, and we have the starter kit guide. We got the headphone jack, the headphones. We got the headset. We have the micro USB, and we got the standard charger. And no wonder the you also have the battery inside, so it's not yet in the phone. Alright, so now this. So I'll be placing the battery into the unit and also the micro SD card. So I'll be back in a sec. Okay. Overall, plastic. Very plasticky feel to it. Just turn on the device, turn on the phone. Okay, we got the power button here. Alright, and we're gonna remove the sticker, of course. Sticker's off. Put that to the side. And quick hardware tour. We got a 3-inch QVGA TFT LCD screen, basic Android setup. Again, this is a 3-inch QVGA TFT LCD screen. At the left side here we got the power button, and on the top part we have the micro USB port, micro USB, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, volume rocker, and of course we have the microphone at the bottom. Basic Android controls for Samsung. We have the home, back, menu button, and of course Samsung logo. And let's take a look at the basic setup here on first boot on the Samsung Galaxy Y. So I'll be back when I boot it up to the screen. We got to the Android desktop here. Color quality is quite nice. Speeds are okay. The screen is really small, so I'm really not used to typing on a screen like this one. If you can see, the keyboard is so small, it doesn't really fit, or it doesn't really suit my fingers, but the speed is it's really good. It's really awesome. Alright, so we also have Android 2.3. So that's going to be Gingerbread. It's using TouchWiz for Samsung Android, and really looks nice, very smooth, very fast, very fluid, very responsive. First impressions are it's really a good device. It looks good, and it's really cheap. My first impressions are really good. Nothing really to expect on a entry device from Samsung. Nothing really to expect in a Samsung device, but for the basics, this will probably do the job. I'm gonna have to test it in next few days, so I'll give you guys a report about how it scales on performance and everyday use. Thanks.
I'ma be